I've created this channel because I am just so excited about the Bitcoin space. A brief introduction. In May 2017, I'd never heard of Bitcoin. I had a phone call from a business colleague, and his question was, what do you know about Bitcoin? And I said, what the heck is that? He then sent me a couple of short videos where some serious players in the business world were backing it, saying it was something pretty amazing. And I watched those videos and I just couldn't put them down. I got involved in Bitcoin. I bought myself some Bitcoin back in May 2017. And then I set about learning all I could about Bitcoin by following some fantastic commentators in the Bitcoin community that I still follow today. And as we go through this course of videos, I'll obviously create links to their channels as well, so you can tap into their knowledge. But why am I running this Bitcoin channel? Simple, because what I've noticed out there is when you consider that only sort of 1% of the world have even heard of Bitcoin or invested in Bitcoin, most people have heard about it but haven't got a clue what it is. And what I've noticed is when you look on YouTube, there are lots and lots of videos about Bitcoin, but they're way too advanced for the masses. Now, if we look at that, the masses are the people that we need to reach with how-tos on how they get started. The masses don't understand what a wallet is. They don't understand what an exchange is, a hardware wallet, a paper wallet, etc. So what I want to do over the coming days, weeks, months and years is talk to those newbies that are scared to death of the space, that want to learn the basics of how you get into Bitcoin. Now, disclaimer, I am not a trader. I don't know anything about the technological side of Bitcoin, cryptocurrencies in general, altcoins, blockchain, or anything like that. I'm just a simple guy that's got extremely passionate about Bitcoin. I want to explain over the coming videos why I believe that. This is just a brief introduction video. I don't give financial advice. I don't understand charts. I'm just an ordinary guy that's passionate that Bitcoin can give anyone a better future in the short to medium term if you understand it as a savings plan, not a way to buy things because it's so volatile at the moment. But if you consider, putting money into a bank, what interest are they going to give you and how much is that going to give you each year? Pretty well a total waste of time. Whereas if you put that into Bitcoin, when you look at how it's gathering momentum and yet only 1% of the world has heard about it, you will start to understand that you really could generate yourself an incredible savings plan. So I don't want to go any more into that on today's video. This is just an introduction to me. What I would ask you to do, please, is to hit the subscribe button below. There's a bell next to it where you can click the bell, and then when I post any videos or if I do anything live, you'll be notified of that. So please hit subscribe below, share this video, like this video, and I look forward to catching you all in the next video.